Hey everybody, look what I have here today. You're gonna love this. This is an OGERY cordless leaf blower. Handheld, portable, wireless. It's gonna be great. And you know I have a lot of leaves around here, and I used to use that big heavy leaf blower. In about 15 minutes my arm gets so sore with that thing. I would show it to you side by side, but you know what it's like. I'm gonna open it right now. Come here, let me show you what's in the box. Nice box. Oh yeah, packed very nicely. I believe they have two colors, green and yellow. Two batteries here. This must be the battery plug. 21 volt, 3 amp. Good batteries, lithium batteries, 2 of them, look at that. It's already charged, see that? See it light up? That's how you check your charge. But look at this. Look at this. LED lights on the front and on the side, so you could work at dusk or dawn if you feel like doing that. 2 nozzles. This nozzle, I blow out my garage often because it gets dust and leaves blow in there. You have a small, more pinpoint nozzle, or you have the big nozzle for yard work and leaves. Let's start with the big nozzle. Just goes right on here like this. See? Done. Done. And it's ready. Little instruction book. OGERY cordless leaf blower user manual. Look, it's so easy. There's hardly anything to it. All right, let's see. And it's windy and cold out here right now. We're gonna have a lot of leaves very soon. I'll show you the tree out front. That tree's gonna turn red, and the leaves are gonna drop within the next 2 or 3 weeks. There's your charger for your batteries. See? I'm excited, I wanna play with it. You know, we really get a lot of leaves around here. This is that time of the year, and that time of the year to be prepared. You ever think you'd see one like this? This blows 700 cubic feet per minute. And some leaf blowers, I just looked it up, they're 1, 300, 400. Some real expensive ones are 650. This is 700. And the wind goes 140 miles an hour. I would do this, but I'd blow my cameraman away. I didn't start it yet. Front lights if you want. Oh, good for safety. In case you get stranded in a pile of leaves. Hold that, hold that on the side, that's bright. Oh, look, all right. Yeah, boy, it's safe too. Extra safety features. Hold it down and the side lights up, all right, wow. Push it once for the top lights, push it a second time. Bright, dim, strobe. Hold it in. Whoa. Hold it in, the side lights up, bright, dim, red, for safety, flash if you need some help, or if you just want to show off that you're using your new toy. The light blinking out there, let's try it quick, all right? This is a great gift for the holiday season coming up, or your birthday. Buy it for yourself, or buy it for your family. And check the discount code in the link in the video description. You'll save some money too. Check the hashtags, and look this up online, it's great. All right, let's see what we can do here. I just noticed it has a little convenience light down here. See that? Like our drills have sometimes. First time, right here. Watch. And you can hold it. You can hold it at a slower speed, see? The trigger, you can make it go slow for in the house or whatever. Or you can give it all the power here, watch. We got a lot of leaves. The squirrels like eating nuts over here, look. Oh, they also gave you earplugs. I'm sorry. If you want to use them. I saw them in here. I was too excited. Nice safety green earplugs. See? Nice. It sounds like a jet engine, don't it? OGERY. Cordless leaf blower. Let me show you the tree out front because it's going to turn red and they're all going to fall down in the next couple of weeks. And I'm going to show you this again when that happens. I'll clean my yard off with this. Come here, I'll show you what I'm going to do on the way. You have to get these pesky leaves all in the cracks of your car, which I don't like a lot. Look, you can go gentle, you can go soft and gentle. Or you can give it power. Oh, I got some on your car, look. Sometimes I blow the dust off because I don't drive this car very often. It gets dusty, you know. Get these pesky pine needles from the neighbor's tree. This is powerful. I feel it push back a little with the power, you know. 140 miles an hour. If I had hair, it'd be blowing up in the air. Look at this tree. See that tree? It's mostly green and starting to turn red. You watch. It's going to be solid red in a couple weeks. And then a week after that, they're all going to be on the ground. 1.5 million leaves. When you're done washing your car, or your motorcycle, or your lawnmower, or blow the grass clippings out from under your lawnmower, Kathy reminded me to wear safety glasses if you want. It's always best to be safe. Well, I'm just going to walk around here till the leaves start falling, but I wanted to show you this today. I can't wait. There's a whole bunch of leaves in the street. Let me blow them around just for fun, all right? Go shake that tree so I got something to blow. Okay. Yeah. Did you see them branches? We got a mess out here in the street. Isn't that great? I don't want to blow them back into my yard. I'll blow them in the woods over there, right? Just blowing them little stones and everything out of the gutter. What fun this is. You want one of these? Better get one. Just testing. I'd rather have spring, but we're gonna have fun in autumn. What do you think? Pretty good, right? 140 miles an hour? Oh, I should have turned the light on. Strobe. Let me try this smaller nozzle. It goes in slots and clicks. Clicks. So you know it's on. Let's see what this does. That's more of a pinpoint strength there for like indoors, like they said, you know. I'm gonna open the garage door and blow some dirt out, all right? Come here. I'm in the garage now, watch. Cool, huh? I go way up here, I get all dust out of the garage, watch. Blow off our e-bikes. Who needs a broom, right? Oh, that's great. Whoa. So when I wash my car, I'll blow it off with this and the motorcycle. And I probably said already, my lawnmower, get up underneath there, get all that grass out of there, you know. I'm just gonna walk around my yard and play with it some more. But I had to show you this right away. I was gonna wait till there was more leaves on the ground, but I couldn't wait. All right, check it out. Check the link down there. Use the discount code. Powerful, great gift, great surprise. You know what? I bet this will blow some snow off the ground too. Get a dusting of snow, right off the ground, right off the car, leave it in the trunk of your car. You come out of work and there's an inch of snow on your car, just blow that right off of there. I'm gonna do that. 2 batteries, remember? It still has 4 lights there. I've been using it a while, right? Let me put the big nozzle back on. Howdy, neighbor. Nozzle's change in a snap. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the link down there. Buy this for yourself or your best friend. The season's coming, you know. Leaves falling, snow, holidays. Talk to you soon. It's great, I love it. Hey, she took my new toy. Where are you going with that? That's mine. All right, you want your own? We'll get you the yellow one. Nice, huh?
I love it.
Doesn't it feel powerful?
It is powerful. It really takes care of all the work.
Nice. We can't wait for the leaves now.
Look at these flowers blooming all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Look at that. Over here too.
Look at this flower. I never promised you a rose garden, but there it is. I could blow my spouts out when I get up there again, right?
Yeah. Lots of ideas.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Good job, huh?
Yes, I like it.
You got my glasses and my OGERY leaf blower. Blow them branches, it's fun to blow them. Isn't that fun?
It is fun.
You know how much we hate the leaves out here, right?
Yeah, but now we can have fun with it.
Yeah, we gotta get another one, huh? Dueling OGERY leaf blowers. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Get yourself one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that baby go. I blew pedal off. Oh, now it's unbalanced. Look at it. I'm sorry. Where did it go? All right, cool. See you later. Check the link. Bye.